So I have found the new Shark PowerDetect cordless vacuum. So Shark have released 3 vacuum cleaners at IFA this year. This is one of them and I am really impressed. We've got a lot of new technologies with this model. The first one has to be the Duo Clean head, and this basically allows you to clean forward but also backwards as well. Not a lot of people know this, but when you vacuum clean, you only are cleaning when you go forward. You're not actually suctioning anything up when you go backwards. So this head absolutely changes the game for that. We've also got the new Flex technology, which allows you to clean under furniture like this, which is great. And you can also bend it over for storage as well, which is brilliant. Another one of my favourite features, there are LEDs on the vacuum cleaner on the head, and they correspond to what's going on the LED screen. So, for example, we turn it on, you can see that the purple is picking up on the level of clean and it's also matching on there. So it's really, really cool. It's now on white because it's not picking up any dirt, but again, you can see it's matching on the screen as well. So that's great. There's also a feature called Edge Detect, which recognises when you're going up against an edge. And if you can hear it, it sort of goes up in suction power. It also comes with an auto empty base. I believe you can buy it without the base, and then that automatically empties it into the base. So yeah, really cool.